Police respond to a chaotic scene after reports of a dangerous suspect fleeing in a vehicle. Officers track the car as it speeds westbound, then turns south. When they reach the location, they find one officer injured. He's been run over but is still conscious. Soon after, police locate the suspect's abandoned vehicle near a local business. A search begins and they spot the suspect, shirtless and wearing shorts, running away. Officers chase him on foot, shouting commands to show his hands and get on the ground. After a brief pursuit, the suspect is captured and taken into custody. Emergency medical services are called in for the injured officer as the situation finally comes under control.
Four zero five. I'm trying. 405. I'm 1007.
I need to get here now. Take a big bullet now. Shut run. Pressing it from around.
405. I'm trying. 405. I'm 1007. Monitor as well.
So I had a visual on the vehicle continuing westbound.
What way did the vehicle go?
10-9.
Sweet. That vehicle just went southbound on Acuff Road.
Are you alright?
Yeah.
Where are you hurt?
Everywhere.
Did he run you over?
Yeah.
Hey, watch out. 4-2, I'm going to be 1097 cents over that vehicle at East Bay Boulevard. I got the vehicle. It's unoccupied. It's going to be in this little lot over here by Booker Septic Service. Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! He just ran over there. He ran over there. 428, we're going to be pursuing the suspect. He just walked. Just jumped over the fence. It's going to be a Bravo Mike, shirtless, red shorts. Show me your hands! Put your hands behind your back now! Put your hands behind your back now! Put your hands behind your back! Let him know we're going to be 10-15. 428, we're 77. Have EMS. Have EMS.